If you manage a Telegram group or channel and want to empower someone else to help with moderation or content, adding them as an admin is quick, flexible, and secure, once you know where to look. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make someone an administrator on both groups and channels in Telegram, plus how to carefully choose the right permissions so your group or channel stays safe and well managed. Alright, let's get started. First, let's tackle how to make someone an admin in a Telegram group. Begin by opening the group chat where you want to add an administrator. This step is pretty straightforward, but make sure you're opening the correct group, especially if you're active in several. Once you're inside the right group, tap the group's name at the very top of the screen. This opens up the group info page, which gives you lots of useful options and an overview of the group's settings, members, and more. Next, look for a pencil icon or maybe an edit button. It's usually at the top right corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to modifying the group's settings, so go ahead and tap it. The interface might look a little different depending on whether you're using iOS or Android, but don't worry, just keep an eye out for anything that says edit or has a pencil symbol. Now find and select the Administrators section. This is where you can see who currently helps manage the group. Tap Add Administrator or sometimes just Add Admin. You'll be taken to a list of everyone in the group, which is helpful if you're not sure exactly who goes by what username. Scroll through the list and tap the person you want to promote. If you're working with a big group, using the search function at the top can save you a lot of time. Here, the important part. You're now prompted to select which permissions you want this admin to have. Telegram is great because it offers a lot of granularity here. You can choose whether they're allowed to change group info, delete messages, ban users, or even add other admins. For instance, maybe you want your admin to simply help keep conversations clean by deleting spam, but you don't want them changing important group settings. You can adjust all of that right here. Take a moment to think about what responsibilities you're comfortable delegating. If you're unsure, you can always go for basic permissions now and adjust them later. Once you've set the permissions to your liking, tap the checkmark icon or Done to confirm. Don't worry if the app takes a second to process your changes. Your new admin will be ready to go in moments. And just like that, you've successfully added an administrator to your Telegram group. Let's talk about how to make someone an admin in a Telegram channel. The process is very similar, which is nice. You don't need to relearn anything complicated. Open the channel you want to manage and tap its name at the top. This takes you into the channel info page. Again, tap the pencil icon or edit button to go into settings. Find the administrators section and select Add Administrator. Just as with groups, scroll through your subscriber list or search for the person you want to make admin. Select them and you'll be shown permissions specific to channels. For example, you might want your admin to help post messages, edit existing ones, or delete anything inappropriate. It's a great way to share the workload if you're running a busy broadcast channel. Think about which tasks you want to delegate and set the permissions accordingly. Once you're happy with your choices, tap the checkmark icon or Done again to finalize things. Give the app a moment and congratulations, you've made someone an admin on your channel. And that's it. Adding admins on Telegram is really about finding the right balance of delegation and control. If you have any questions, or if you ran into any tricky spots, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear, up-to-date guides. Thanks for watching and best of luck managing your group or channel.